Hi guys, I'm tuh-KAH-ruh. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys saw in the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I do my sleek low bun on my long natural hair. It's quick, easy, and pretty simple. So hopefully it helps some of you guys who are interested. And these are of course the final results here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this low bun on my natural hair, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting on a failed wash and go, and yes, I do still get those every now and then. So I typically do a sleek low bun when I have a failed wash and go, or my hair is old and I don't have time to wash it, or I don't feel like washing it and I want to stretch my hair to the next wash day or to whenever I feel like washing it. So this technique is gonna be a little bit different from the previous video that I have up. It's super old. I haven't done a sleek low bun, or I think that was a sleek low puff actually. We're doing a bun in this video. But yeah, I don't think I've done a video since the first one I posted. And that one had a lot more steps. I'm lazy now, and now that my hair is longer, I find that I'm able to do less steps. So the first thing I have here is a bottle of water. And I'm going to go in and get my roots pretty wet, not soaking wet, but wet enough to where they start to lay down more. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. And of course you wanna go ahead and have your hair parted however you want it to be. Okay, once I have wetted down, I am going to take one of my faves, my Eco Styler Gel, and this is the argan oil one. This is the one I like to use on my edges too when I'm sleeking my edges down. But I'm gonna take quite a bit of that, rub it together in my hands, and then smooth it over the top of my hair. Gonna take some and put it underneath to get the kitchen too. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my brush. I have this pretty old two-sided brush that I like to use to slick my hair down with. And I'm sure y'all have seen a brush like this before. It has the two sides, and one is soft and one is hard. I like to use the hard side. So then I just take the brush and literally just smooth my hair down. Now, some days I just stop at that step. It depends on how much time I feel like putting into it, or if I care that much. It'll still be a bit lumpy if I leave it like that. But on the days that I care a little bit more, I take my Rattail Comb and I kind of smooth it over the top. I'm not really combing it through, but it kind of just helps to get rid of some of those lumps. Then I'm gonna take my brush again. Okay, and once it's as smooth as I want it to be or care for it to be, I go ahead and take my ponytail holder. And I'm gonna wrap this around, well, it depends on how tight the ponytail holder is. I usually do like 2 to 3 times. And for my bun, what I like to do is on the last wrap, I pull my hair through, but not all the way. So just like this. I pull it almost all the way through. but I leave it like that because I like for my bun to look kind of big. So I like how it looks when I don't pull it all the way through. Now, if I have any excess hair hanging out the bottom, what I'll do is take, if it's long enough, like here, you can see I have quite a bit left. I'll take it and wrap it around the ponytail holder. And I'll secure that piece into place with a bobby pin. So I have a bobby pin. And you can stop here if you want to, but I like to sleek down my edges a bit. I feel like that kind of just finishes the style for me, at least. So I'm gonna add some more gel directly to my edges. Then I have my little edge brush. It used to have a comb too, but it broke. And I'm just gonna take the brush side and just do them to my liking. This is personal, of course. Everybody has their own different way that they like to do their edges. And I also, like, once I am pretty much done, I'll take my edge brush and like smooth down any parts of my hair that I feel like I might have missed with my Rattail comb and my brush. But I did a pretty good job today, I think. So then what I do, because I'm pretty much done at this point. My edges are done, it's all sleek. What I'll do sometimes is I'll go in and tie it down with my hair scarf. And I don't always do this, but if I'm going somewhere, I like to tie it down because I like for it to be sleek. If I'm just gonna be in the house, I probably won't tie it down, but I'm gonna tie it down now so you guys can see what it looks like when I take it off. So I don't have to leave it tied down that long. 5-10 minutes is normally good. Just gonna make everything lay nice and sleek. So I'm gonna leave this for about 5 minutes or so, and I will come back and show you what it's looking like when I take her off. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes. It's actually been 4 minutes, but close enough. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it down so I can show you guys. So yeah, here's what we're looking like. I don't know what the back looks like or the side, so hopefully it doesn't look crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A few of you guys asked for this video a while ago. Honestly, I forgot. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I finally did it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next one.